Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia Mesadieu, your guide to help you design the best version of you by looking and feeling your best. Today I have a mascara review. As you know, I am doing a drugstore series where I basically go into the drugstore and just buy every single drugstore product that I have been curious about, and then I bring it home with me, I test it out, I review it for you, and then at the end of my series, which I don't know how long it's going to take, I just know that I'm definitely going to be reviewing tons and tons of drugstore products. I'm probably going to sum up the best drugstore products of either maybe the month or the quarter, annually, whatever. Today's drugstore product is Maybelline's Total Temptation. It's the 601 Blackest Black Noir. I did purchase this at Ulta, and at Ulta it appears to be retailing for $9.49. I don't remember paying this much, but if that's what I paid, then that's what I paid. However, it looks like it retails at Target for $7.89, at Walmart $7.94, Rite Aid $6.44, and it looks like it's different across the board. So I guess it just depends on your location and what drugstore you go to. So packaging is very, very cute. I love that it has this nice pink matte packaging. I think that that's really cute. Looks very sophisticated but very feminine at the same time. And yeah, I think it just kind of falls in line with like their branding for the Total Temptation collection. So let's just move into the product here. And it claims that it's going to give you full, fluffy lashes. Lashes go so full, soft, and fluffy. It's Maybelline's most buildable volume mascara with an addictive experience. It has a creamy whipped formula infused with coconut extract. The new fluffy brush glides through lashes for a non-stop buildability. All right, let's give this a whirl. Look at the brush applicator. All right, here we go. Okay, this is the first coat. Okay, compared to my left eye, I see a difference. I do feel like it looks fuller, since that's what it is promising. I don't feel like it's clumpy. Okay, so I have none on this eye, and then I have none on the left eye, and on the right eye I have the mascara. And I think the mascara does look a lot fuller on the right eye. That's just one coat. All right, let's apply one more coat. It definitely looks fuller than the left lashes. Definitely looks a lot fuller. The mascara has been applied to both of my lashes. My final thoughts on this mascara is it is a really good mascara. I think that it definitely claims what it says it's going to do, which is to give the lashes more volume. I don't feel like it clumps very easily. However, once you go back to put that second coat on, it does dry very quickly. So you probably want to make sure you work very quickly with the mascara. I find that that is just how most mascaras are, or if not all, when you are trying to apply that second coat. Hurry up and apply it the first time and then go back in again before it dries, because it's a little bit more difficult to add the mascara on again, which kind of decreases the chances of you being able to apply it easily, so that you're able to build the lashes up. So it doesn't make it as easily buildable if the coat dries very quickly. I do think that the brush applicator is soft. The lashes are soft. They're not like really hard or crusty or anything like that. So yeah, I'm loving the lashes. I think that it looks good. It's not clumpy, and I can appreciate that. So I really do like the formula. I like the packaging. The price is a little slow your roll, pipe down, but you know, that's drugstore prices for you nowadays. just try and go with the drugstore that has the cheapest price for the mascara, and you should be good to go. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I am doing mini reviews on my Instagram channel. Therefore, you don't have to sit through a longer length if you don't have the time. But if you have the time, girl, you need to sit through all of this. But then also you can go to my Instagram and check out more mini tutorials and just some other fun things that I have going on, my stories and all of that, girl. Okay, so again, follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Favor, peace, and blessings, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.